Eto lang, bago matapos ang taon, hindi ibig sabihin na may 12 round fruits sa mesa, automatic ka ng rich. Every medianoche, kumpleto ang ubas, mansanas, pakwan, pero pagdating ng January, same gastos, same excuses. Bro, let's be real. Wealth isn't served on a plate. It's built with discipline. Walang bilog na prutas na magre-rescue sa'yo kung wala kang budget ipon at self-control. Na yung New Year 2026, baka mas meme-worthy kung bawasan natin ang ritual at dagdagan ang responsibility. Tradisyon? That's cool. Pero mas satisfying kung may kasabay na totoong effort. Gawin nating New Year's resolution ang matutong mag-handle ng pera, hindi lang mag-setup ng IG-worthy table. Kasi bro, real talk, swerte, hindi yan hinahain. Pinaghihirapan yan.